Welcome to another The Clock Challenge and another I Made a Game challenge. So today, 15 minutes on the clock and recreate Guess My Number in Python. And it's Guess My Number is not a very hard game to create, but if you want to make it actually really fun, you're going to need some time. So hopefully I can get away with 15 minutes or else I have to scrap the video, which I will not like, and then I have to re-record everything and that won't be cool. So, well, let's just get this video started. And by the way, we finally did another I Made a Game video. It's been kind of long. All right, well, 15 minutes is on the clock, and I think we should just start. Now, I kind of don't want to talk too much because I don't want to lose my voice, and that will waste time. However, I will still talk a little bit. Just know that I may not talk that much. All right, well, hopefully I don't have to scrap the video. Let's start the timer. So we're going to start with defining a function called guess my number. But right before we do that, we have to import random. This will be useful later. Then we are also going to store the secret number, which is number, and we are going to use the randint function to generate a number randomly using the min and max number comparisons that the user gives or the program gives or whatever for this in the function here. Then we are going to do a while true loop and ask the user for input. So and we are going to put this in a tries, and we're actually going to tab this and put a try here. You'll see why in a moment. But anyways, if the guess is correct, or if the guess is equal to the number, then the user wins, and we tell the computer that the user wins. So let's create a variable called win. I'll hopefully be able to tell you later. And so we'll put false right here. And then here we can just set when to true and exit the loop with a break. But if that is not correct, well, I'm afraid that we're going to have to give the user a hint. So if the guess is what less than the number, then we just tell the user our hint. But right before we do this, we want to check to see if the user has lost. So we'll put right here, tries. And if it's the fifth try and the user has not guessed correctly, we can promptly opt out. But very importantly, without setting when to true. And my mistake here, true. Then right here we could do another LF guess. This time with the other sign. In that case, we can print your guess is greater than the correct answer. Throw a comma there. All right. Well, we have around 10 minutes left, so we better hurry up. Let's put an except value error here. We could just write here invalid answer. Try again. Same if it did not raise the value error exception, but it just wasn't in here for some else. We could throw in value arrow, although I don't think this will actually be very necessary. More or less just a precaution. We have about 8 minutes left. Now I feel like we will be able to finish it, but maybe have a little bit of time to spare. But again, we want to make this as good as possible. Alright, now down here, after we leave the while loop, we need to check to see if the user actually won, or if the user did not win and did not just lost. If win, then the user wins. So we can print congrats. You guessed correctly. But if the user did not win, then we just throw down print. Sorry. You did or you lost. The correct answer is whatever number was here. All right, there we have it. Now testing. We have to actually call the function first of all. But if we have time, I want the user to be able to control how much attempts they have. But first, we need to see if this even works. Because if it doesn't, then that will be a waste of our time. So our minimum would be 1 and our max would be 10. Let's start. So asks us to guess, or it's less than the correct answer. How about 2? It's less. 6, 8. Let's go! We guessed correctly. But what if we just guess incorrectly? Try to guess incorrectly. Will it tell us that we lost? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. No. And that's because we didn't tell the computer tries. Like, we have to tell the computer the number of tries we did. So, every time it's incorrect, like right here, we just throw down that they tries. And we add that, increment that by 1. Add that and increment that by 1. All right, 5 minutes on the clock. Let's try this again. All right, so 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It says we lost, but this doesn't look very fun. So we're going to add some formatting, hopefully, and let's just do it right here. Here. Another thing that I just realized. Oh, never mind. Sorry, that's my bad. And and then we could just do print, and then put it right here. Hopefully that'll be formatted. I need to do this right here too. I might just be totally wrong here, but we have 4 minutes left with time to spare. So just throw down 0. That's nice. All right. Now I want to add just a little bit of delay. And to do that, we can use the sleep function, which is in time. So every time they guess, we can do time.sleep for maybe a second. And yeah. Okay, that might be too long. Let's try half a second. Where is it? Time. All right, here we go. 0.5. We have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. It says 3 is greater. Greater. Oh, wait, it's 2. 1. Oh, yay. All right. One more thing we should hopefully do is we should tell it how much attempts we want. And right here at tries, if tries equals attempts, they're done. Or technically, if tries is greater than or equal to attempts, they're done. So it's going to give us an arrow because we need to tell us how much attempts. Let's just make it 2 attempts so that it's super hard. We have 2 minutes left, by the way. All right, so 2, 3. All right, well, apparently it let us guess 3 times. I think, and to solve this issue, we're just going to make attempts -1. No, attempts -1. Is that going to work? This just might be a stupid idea, but let's see. 3, 2. Yes, it works. All right, so 2 minutes left, and we are very good. Good. So what if we just throw a value arrow? I wonder what that will do. A valid answer. So that the value arrow works. And yeah, we are basically done. This was very very good, and we did it in 15 minutes. So let's go. All right. I'll try to post this on Reddit, maybe. Or not on Reddit, on what is it? I forgot. On Replit or something maybe. But then I realized, but if I hadn't already done it, I think I've actually already done that on Replit. But anyways, so probably not. But anyways, 1 minute and 18 seconds left to spare, and it works. It works. So I guess you could use my code if you want to screenshot it or something. Uh, Here it is. If you want to screenshot my code or something, here you have it. This is my code. So if you want to use this code, feel free to use it. I don't really care. You don't have to give me credit. But we have successfully completed a challenge. And yay. Thank you guys for watching and hopefully we can do more things like this in the future.